可以了吗 Okay, now let's start. Hello everyone, this is Lily from Ottima. Nice to meet you again here. I think some customer already knows me because I have working in this company about 10 years. I like my company and we have very good colleagues and atmosphere here. I hope next time we can meet each other here. First, I'm so happy today I have the chance to introduce you our company. First, our company is established in the 2006 and our factory is in Meizhou. Meizhou is belong to the Guangdong province. 1 minute. Okay. It belongs to the Guangdong province and if by car is about 4 hours. 4 hours by car from Shenzhen to Meizhou. And some customers, they will ask why you choose Meizhou as your factory is not Shenzhen. Yeah, now let me have the chance to explain to you because first of all, everybody knows now Shenzhen, everything is very expensive. The renting fee and the labor fee and all the expense is so expensive. We need to control our cost to give the best price to our customer. So we build a building in Meizhou. And maybe here you can see, this is the building in Meizhou. It's the 4th floor. All this 4th floor is belong to us. And I really hope next time you can visit our factory in Meizhou. And also you can get the e-catalog if you contact us. We have the company video which is made by the TUV. It's not by us because maybe some customer they say, oh, that is maybe fake or something. So don't worry, it's the TUV make the video for us and you can get some relax. Okay, so and in our factory, as I show you, we have the 4 floors and we have about 10 production line. So you don't worry about our ability for the delivery. Sorry. 那个一直会断线，断2、3次了。Okay, sorry. And so for the delivery, you don't have about it. And also maybe you will say, oh, how about the quality control? What I can say is our company controlled the quality. Let's say 100% before the shipment, the agent testing, 100% testing, 4 hours at least. We don't let any single pieces go without any test, without the agent test, because we always know the quality is important. Without the quality control, and our customer will face the big problem. And I think also you can know we are doing good from our this year's development. If we are not good, how we can survive in these years, right? Okay, and also we have the engineer. We have 6 engineers in our major factory, and 1 engineer, the experience for the LED driver is more than 10 years. So our design is very mature, and we use the good technology and to control the quality. And also we can make the ODM for the customer because some customer they have special requirements. For example, some customer they request the THD is less than the 5%, and some customer they request a non-flicker. All of these requirements we can do it because our engineer have good experience and skill. So don't worry about that. And now let me talking about our Shenzhen office. Now I'm sitting in Shenzhen office. This office is special for the sales department. As you know, some customer they will come to Hong Kong, Guangzhou for the lighting fair. So for them it's more easy to visit us in our Shenzhen office. And behind me you can see we have our showroom. So we can show our customer the products very easy. And some customer they will ask, oh, your factory is in Meizhou. Maybe your delivery is cannot on time because the distance. I would like to say, don't worry. because every day we have the check to send the goods from our factory to Shenzhen or directly to the customer appointed place. So the delivery is no issue. Besides that, and in Shenzhen, this office, we have the warehouse. For our regular item, we have the stock. So when some customer they need urgent, like a few hundred pieces, we can immediately to ship. No need to wait until we receive from our major factory. So that is, we are very confident for the delivery and also the quality, everything. And after I tell you about our company's situation, I think now you will feel more confident and you would like to know more about our products. So let's welcome our sales girl, AB, to introduce you our product, round shape LD driver. You must like it. And let's welcome for her.
Hello, see you again, guys. And this is AB. So today I want to introduce you about another different items. And you can see here is our new different item. It's IP20 round shape LED driver. And you can see this is the whole families. And for the power range, it's from 9 watt to 80 watt. And you can see the diameter. For this 9 watt is about, this is the diameter. And for this diameter is about 52 mm. And for the biggest one, this is the 80 watt round shape LED driver, and the diameter is about, let me show you. You can see this is about 100 mm. So the size is very small, right? And it's very suitable for the LED lamps, like ceiling lamp, downlight, absorber downlight. It's very convenient for the installations. Also here I can show you the holes for the installations. And you can use the whole installations with this driver on your wall. So it's very convenient. And also you can see this all round shape with IP20. And for the IP20 we use PC plastic housing. It has fireproof and double isolations. And also it has good heat dissipation. So it means when you use this round shape LED driver in the enclosed place and with working long time, the temperature will not high. And also you can test our efficiency up to the 88%. So you may know the efficiency is more higher than the warranty is, the lifetime of LED driver is more longer. That's why for this round shape LED driver, the warranty is 5 years warranties. And also you can see this is the, also I can show you the PCB inside. And for this one, you can see here, this is the PCB inside. Okay, we open it. And you can see here it's more clearly, right? And this is the transformer, and this is the capacitor. Also here is the IC background. And usually all of our raw material supplier is very stable. Like MOSFET, we will use the Fairchild. And sometimes we also will use Toshiba. Both are made in US. And for the IC, we use the ST brand. And the most important is the capacitor. This one is the capacitor, and we use the lubricant from Japan. So also that's why we can ensure the warranty is up to the 5 years warranties. And also you can see, and for this round shape, we have the compliant with the SELV standards, and the output voltage less than 60 voltage. And it has multiple protection for output expressions like short circuit, overload, over temperature, over voltage, and over current. And let me explain you some of them, like the short circuit. It means when you use the driver, and for the output side, you connect the wire for the output side. When the positive and the negative touched by accidentally, the driver will bend. But please don't worry, because all of our LED driver with short circuit protections, so it will not happen when you use our driver. And for the overload protection, it means like this driver is 81, and if the LED strip you load is 85 watt, and then the driver will not work because the driver opened the overload protections. But when you adjust the LED lamp less than the 81 or more or less, the driver will work again. And also for the over temperature, for this long shape LED driver, the working temperature can up to 80 degree. So when the driver you use more higher than the 80 degree, the driver will open over temperature protections. And also we have any other protections, but all of them is to protect the driver to working better. Also you can see here is our lazy label printed, and this is our logo. Here is the Ottima logo, and for this is our design for the label. And we also can change to your own your design, your logo, and your item numbers. It can expand your brand and also your local market. And we can accept even one piece for free to do. Also here for the package, we can one LED driver with one in a box, and you can see here this is the one in a box. This is for 91, and also this is for the 41, and we put it in a box like this one. And for this in the box, we also can change to your own. Like now many customers ask for the color box, and also they want to put the manual inside. So all is no problems, we can do for you. And here, many customers will more concerned about the certificate. Like this, for this long shape LED driver, we have the CTUV for European market, and SA CTIC for Australian market, and ETL FCC for the USA market. So no worry about it. And the important for this driver is the international standard, like safety, EMI, and anti-interference. So you also no worry about the safety for this driver. And so let's focus on the specifications of this driver. And you can see here is 9 watt. Here you can see. And the input voltage is about 180 to 240 watts. And we also can do 90 to 130 watt for the US market. And this is the check dimmable constant voltage type. And we also have the non-dimmable. And for the dimmable type, we not only with the check, we also have the 0 to 10, 1 to 10 daily dimmable type for your choice. And for the other dimmable type and the non-dimmable, we also can do the wide range. Like wide range is 100 to 277 volt. And for the dimming type, we also can have the dimming range and the loading range. Like the loading range is from 70 to 100%. It means when you use the driver, 100 watt driver, Then you can load from 70 to 100%, and it will show you the best dimming functions. But you also can load less than the power, but the dimming function will not very good. So we more suggest you with the loading from 70 to 100%. But for the non-dimmable type, there are no limited for the loading. I think it's more better to show our dimming function directly and you can see more clearly. So here we prepared this the track dimmer and the AC plug. And here is the LED strip. This LED strip is 24 volt and this we use the open free round shape PCB inside the driver to show you directly, and this is 24 volt also. So first we connect the track dimmer and the AC plug in series in the input. Okay, here also a very good point. You can see this we use the terminal for the input side. This is the input side and also this is the output side. We both use the terminal, so it's very convenient to connect the wires. Also a noted point for the input side. Now usually many customers will know L with brown and N with the blue. But now, no effect when the LN line is reversed. So this is point need to note it. So let's connect the wire now, and here is the plug. We connect the wire here. Here is connect, so we connect. Okay, this is the input side. And for the output side, we also connect. Usually the red line is the negative. And here is the negative. And the black one with the positive. Okay, so now we power on. And you can see it's very brightness, right? It's about, and we first turn around to the max power brightness about 100%. You can see here, and we turn around, the brightness is can down to 70 brightness, and it's about 50%. Its then is up to the 30%, and now it's about 5% dimming, because the driver dimming range is from 5% to 100%. So we turn around again. You can see, and I can show you more several times, and you can see our dimming function. Here, this is about, also we have a little brightness, it's about 5%, and we show you again the brightness, and the whole dimming you can see it's no non-flicker and without any noise, it's very smooth, right? Okay, so we turn off the power, and that I want to show you for the track dimming function of this round shape LED driver. And today I also want to introduce you our another items. For this one, like that here. And you can see this is also a whole family. And the power range is from 80 watt to 72 watt. And this one is the 18 watt. 18 watt, you can see here clearly. And for the this one is the 72 watt. Here. And also all of them is the constant voltage, 12 volt and 24 volt. And I can show you the thickness. And for this 81, the thickness is about 17, and you can see here. You can see. And also for the biggest one, this is the 72 watt. This is about 19 mm here. The 890 mm. And as I want to introduce you, because this series without the certificate but with a competitive price. But no worry about the quality, because all of our early driver is 100% aging testing before the shipment, and the quality is our principle of our companies. Also, and the efficiency of this driver is very high because it's not without certificate. So if you have any questions or any interest about this driver or for our company or about the long shape every driver, just contact us and leave messages. So would you like to take a sample for test? And here I want to leave 1 or 2 minutes for the questions. Okay. So today I want to already introduce you. One is long shape. Long shape is from the 9 watt to 80 watt, and the long shape is from the 80 watt to 72 watt. 72 watt, and all of them is constant voltage, 12 volt and 24 volt. And for this long shape is usually used for the cone light and the downlight like others. And for the this very for the linear light, you know, I think you already know, right? And you can see here. And for this long shape without the certificate, but with this long shape we have many certificates approved. And we also will took the video for both these two series for you, and you can check more clearly, and you also can leave the messages, and we will show you more and more details. Okay, so time flies, and the question time is over. And next, welcome to our other colleague, Bevan, to show you another product is DIP switch dimmable driver. Thank you for watching, and keep watching.
Hello everyone, this is Vivian. Thanks for watching our live show. Today I will introduce you our slim type track dimmable LED driver. Here you can see this type in my hand. I think you are very surprised for such beautiful design because the whole body is white color. It looks very clean and very simple. Looks very good. And we use PC materials for the plastic housing. PC is a kind of very good materials for the LED driver housing because it's better for the heat dissipation and it has fireproof and also double insulation. So we can control our efficiency up to 86%. And also here you can see, here is the whole label, is our standard label. We use laser, so the color only can be black. If you want to change sticker or the printing, that's also no problem. We can do for you. Also, you can hear. Here is our Ottima logo. And here is our model number. We can change to your own logo and also your model number. That's also no problem, even you only purchase one pick. I think you already noticed our certifications here. Yeah. Here we have CE/PV for the Europe market. We have RCN, SAA, CTIC for the AU market. And we have SETL, FCC for the USA market. So our LED driver will work for whole world. That's also no problem. And even for the package, some customers very focused on the package because they sell these products on eBay or on Amazon. So package is very important. See, here is our package. One LED driver with one white color box. Also, this white color box can change to be yours. If you want to make some design on it, your own design, that's no problem. And if you want to put some menu inside, that's also no problem, we can do for you. And okay, now let's focus on the LED driver. You can see this one is the constant current type, constant current. And it's a special constant current. It's multi-output. What is multi? Multi means this LED driver have many different currents. You can see. This one is 50 watt LED driver. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It has 6 currents. So you may have a question, how I can change the current when I use this LED driver? You can see here. Here is the DIP switch. So later I will show you how to change the current by this DIP switch. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 switch. Can you see clearly? Yeah, here is our label. Label show you how to change the current. Such as the first one. The first one is 700 mA. Here shows all DIP switch is off, right? Right now all is on. So we put all DIP switch off. You can see now. This situation, all DIP is off now. So in this situation, the current is 700 mA. And the second current is 900 mA. 900. So it shows put the number 1 switch on. Only the number 1 switch on. Okay, do it now. You can see only the number 1. See here. Only the number 1 is on, another is off. So in this situation, the current is 900 mA. So, okay, let me show you another one. Is the third one. The current is 1050 mA. 1050 mA. It shows you the DIP switch number 1 and number 2 is on, another is off. Okay, now we put the number 1 and number 2 on. Another is off. Can you see? Same as like this. So now the current is 1050 mA. So do like this. Okay, finally I will show you the final one. This one is 1500 mA. Now you can see the all switch is on. The all switch is on, right? So okay, we put all switch on. Can you see? In this situation, all switch is on. The current is 1500 mA. It's very easy to control the current by the DIP switch, right? And it's very convenient for use. This 6 current is our standard. We can also change to yours, such as your lights is about 200 mA or 800 mA. No problem, we can do the current as your need. And this LED driver is very best choice for the distributor who sells this constant current LED driver, because they can make some stock and it's very easy to their customers to choose the current. And this one is from 15 to 50 watt. It's big range. This is IP20 model. You can see we use terminal for both inside and output side. And the thickness is very special. It's about 24 mm. Let me show you. It's even 23 to 24. 23. Can you see clearly? 24 mm. It not only can be constant current and also can be constant voltage. You can see this type. Same like this one. This is current. Here is the voltage type. It is the constant voltage. This one is 60 watt, 12 volts. We can make from 30 to 90 watt. The size is very similar. Even the size is smaller if the voltage is smaller. And this track dimmable is very different as the most dimmable LED driver in the market. Why I say that? Let me show you. Firstly, the input is very different because you may know the track dimmable LED driver on the market, they only can be 90 to 130 watts for the USA market. But we can make 100 to 277 watts for the USA market. And for the Europe market, we make 180 to 240. That's great, right? And also our loading and dimming is very special. Such as this LED driver, our loading is from 5 to 100%. But regular atom is from 70 to 100%. That means 100 watt LED driver. If you use regular atoms on the market, it can only show you the best dimming effect when you load 7 to 100 watt. But if you use our LED driver, no matter you load 5 watt or 100 watt, it will show you very good dimming function. And also the dimming. Our dimming is 0 to 100%. That means our LED driver can dim the light off. But for most track dimmer on the market, their dimming range is from 5 to 100%. That means only can make the brightness be darkest but can't be off. And also, this one is 5 years warranty. Oh, sorry, it's not 5, it's 7 years warranty. Regular time is 5 years warranty, but for us, 5 years warranty is not enough. And this is Class 2 standard for the Europe and the USA market. Because Class 2 is a very popular standard. Okay. Now later I will show you how good our dimming function is. Here you can see we prepared everything. One LED driver and a check dimmer. This is check dimmer. The check dimmer is one of our customer who sent to us. And this is the LED strip light 12 volt. Okay, connect them now. Connect the output. Here is the terminal, so that's very easy to make the installation. So some customers, they are not engineer. It's for personal use, so it's very convenient to use. Also, we take some videos about our dimming if you want to get it, so you can send us message. Our catalog will contact you, so you can get more info about us. Okay, now you can see here is the AC plug. Now this one is the EU plug. You can change to be AU plug. Because we know Australia is one of our big markets. Most of Australia customers, they always ask AU plug, especially for the waterproof type. Also, it can be USA plug, it's no problem. And our LED driver can match 90% dimmers on the market. We did many tests. You can see here. Here is the list we already tested. Here is the model number. Here, many dimmers we tested. The picture also here. You can see this include many famous brands such as Lucho, Livichon, and Crystal. This LED driver can match MLV, ELV dimmers because it can use for leading and trailing edge. You can get this list if you send us message now, or you contact us. Contact us to get this. Okay, now I connect the power. You can see. Okay, now I turn on the power. You can see I'm adjusting the dimmer. The LED lights become brighter and brighter. It's very smooth, right? Smooth dimming change. Now it's 100% brightness. It's the maximum. Okay, still adjust. Now the lights become dark. During this function, you can see our LED driver has no noise, no flicker, and even it does not change the color index. why not change the color index? Because our LED driver has a very special function. It's PWM output. It means if your LED strip is warm color, temperature is about 3000 K. If you use the regular items to dimming, maybe during the dimming your light's color temperature change to be 2800 K or 3300 K. That is lower or higher as your standard. It's not good for your lifetime of the LED strip. So if you use our LED driver, it can control always keep. It will always keep the LED strip keep to 3000 K. So it's very good function, right? And also we have a very special function. I think you may be surprised. Our LED driver has memory function. You may ask me, what is memory function? It can memory something? Yeah, it can memory the brightness. You can see I'm still adjusting again. I'm sorry. Sorry, wait a moment. Okay, I'm back now. You can see I adjusted the brightness to be 50%. About 50. Okay. Such as now is 50. Now I turn off the dimmer. Wait a moment. Turn on again. You can see the brightness is still keep 5%, right? So it's very convenient if you don't want to always dimming the brightness level as you want. So you can keep this. And also, okay, that's all dimming show. Later, I will show you we have a very small function here. Here you can see. Can you see here? It's a screw, small screw. This function is control the output voltage from 10 watt to 13 watt. Can you see here? Here is the screw function. Screw. Why we make this small function? Because some LED strip is not 12 watt exactly, but maybe it's 11 watts. If you always use 12 watts to load with 11 watts, it's not good for the lifetime of your LED strip. So, if in this case you must change the voltage, you can adjust the voltage to be 11 watts so it can match perfect. From now on, I think maybe you think our LED driver is very worth to buy in, right? I think you may notice that our LED driver is very easy to installation because we use the terminal for both inside and output side. You can see the input and output side. This terminal is suitable for the wires with diameter from 0.75 to 2.5 millimeters. So it's very big range to if you have very big wire wires to connect, it's very easy. And also all of our LED driver is 100 agent testing before the shipment. It's agent testing for 8 hours. We can control the defective rate within 0.3%. Why we focus on the quality so much? Because we know if our products face the quality problem, it will cause a great losses to us and to our customers. Thus, we don't want it. It's not good for long-term business. Besides, we attend Hong Kong, Poland, Thailand, Latin Fair. Our LED driver is very popular by our customers. All of our LED driver with over temperature protection, short circuit protection, and overload protection, and so on. So our LED driver is very safe. And if you have any demands of LED driver, maybe you don't need this track dimmable, maybe you need the T8 LED driver or for the IP20 or IP67 for indoor and outdoor use, both we have. You can see we are special doing LED driver. We only doing LED driver. We do not produce any other things. So we are very special. So, give you 1 minute to ask me some question about our company or our products. 1 minute. And during this 1 minute, if you have any questions or you give us message, you will have a chance to get free sample. So come on. You can see here, all of our LED driver is QC passed. Only 1 minute. Do you have any question? Okay, if you don't have any question, our handsome boy Martin will show you our slim type LED driver very soon. So welcome him.
Hello guys, thank you for viewing. She's very nice sharing, and her live show is very nice, and she share very nice and special item for you. Are you interested? If you have any interested, please contact with her or another colleague. They will give you some very special and very nice and perfectly suggestion, and make sure you can choose some product you will like it. Hello guys, this is Martin. Today I also want to show you very nice item. As you can see now, it is our ultra thin LED driver. You can see they have very special design, and they have very obviously advantage is their thickness. Now please check this thickness. You can see firstly is you can check is our IP67 type. Let me measure it this the same thickness to you. The first one, IP67, the thickness is 20 millimeters. It's very thin, right? And the next, please check our IP20 model. This model, the thickness is only 16 millimeter. Can you see that? It's very nice. These are obviously advantages. We make this thickness and very ultra thin. Even though do that, we can make sure this efficiency can up to 85%. That is one good point, right? And also this product, we not only do this for your choose, because for the IP67, we make from 50 to 300 wattages. It's very wide range can make for you make choice, not only this one. And please check our IP20 model. IP20 model, for this, we also separated for two series. One series is the high PF and another series is the low PF. And the high PF can make at least from 20 to 60 wattages. It's also very wide. And for the low PF, we also can make from 20 to 80. So you can see, even your country or your market have too many lamp and light need to be choice. But use our own just one series, we can solve all this problem. Can match your too many kinds of light and the wattages range. And you may ask why we need to divide this product to two series, and for the high PF and low PF. Let me answer you. Because in the different country, especially in the European country, they are government and have the special environment policies to protect the environment. So they need a high PF design. And some country no need this. Both of them can keep no any flinker. That is good quality, because the high PF will face some problem, they will have some flicker. We will never have this problem. That is this one point. And the most importantly, we already mentioned about this PF, this is for different country, but now we need to think about this plastic outside this housing case. You can see for our IP67 type is ultra thin the same time, and normally this IP67 type and model is very heavy because inside have this silicone glue. Silicone glue for is to increase the waterproof performance. But you can see the outside appearance we use the aluminum material. It's for to reduce the product weight. So you can see their kind of product is not very heavy, even is the waterproof type. And now this is our IP67. You can check our IP20 model. IP20 model, let me open this frame. This also will show you this plastic material. Wait a moment, I will open this plastic too special for you. And you can check this plastic design. Can you see it? In the normal market, as you know, maybe another company they will use this recycled plastic. This is no good because recycled plastic is have no any function, can have this fireproof risk, can face high proof. And if you have this problem in the future, this explosion and have this fire risk, their product will have cause damages and disaster. But if you use our product, our plastic material is high grade level. It is called as 94V0 PVC plastic material. As you know, this is a highest fireproof material. When this have the disaster like the fire, like the explosion, this thing, if you use this kind of material, can protect you and protect your family and also protect your house, and they will not cause any damages. That is very good. Except this one, one more thing I also need to let you know about our IP20 design. You can check this output terminal. Can you see this hole, the output terminal? Yeah, please check this output terminal and the input terminal, this hole. It's very large, right? You can see it's very large, right? That is mean if you in the market you only can purchase these very large diameters wires. If you use our product, you never mind this problem. Our large is have this perfect diameter to match your wires. I think this is one point for you convenient to use our LED driver. That is one thing. And if you, for example, some guys will ask me, I come from North America or European, Australia or another area. I have some special input plug. So for the input plug, you don't worry about it. If you purchase from us, you just to tell us which kind of plug you need to match for the LED driver. This is one thing. And about the output terminal. Output terminal, some guys will need the female plug or the match their light have the male plug. You ask your requirement and your parameters about your output plug. We can match them for you. So these 2 points about this output terminal hole and this output wire survivors from us, we can make sure when you purchase from us, you use this LED driver to match your light. It's very, very convenient. Because if you, for example, in the future, you only just buy this single LED driver, you will think which kind of plug I need to purchase, and also I need to think about purchase the new plug from another manufacturer or supplier. But if you use our product, we can solve all this problem just by one order. That is good. And so this convenient thing is solved. But some guys think, okay, your survivors is very good. Okay, you can supply all this thing as I need. I use your product, it's very convenient. But also I concentrate about one question. What kind of the certificate and this quality you can make sure and you can let me trust you? That is one very good question. Firstly, I will show you our certificate. You can check our certificate. This certificate is already all is approved by our product. Even though it's the TUV approved as the CE and also in the ETA approved for the North American and also the SAA CTIC for the Australian market. So it is mean you come from everywhere on the world. You don't worry about our market cannot suit your market, suit your region and the country. That is this is very, very good question for the quality. And some guys will think about this certificate is good because in the country and have some way to make this certificate is fake. It's not a professional. If I just told you these questions, the next thing is I tell you how to prove our product can let you trust us. Because our product can provide you at least 3 to 5 years warranty. It's very long, right? You may also ask me how to make sure this 3 to 5 years warranty. That is one. It's very good questions. You guys have very lucky. You can see this very good situation because you guys don't have too many chance to see this open frame PCB PA board. You can check the open frame PCBA board. Let me tell you an explanation to you how to make sure this 3 to 5 years warranty. Firstly, please check our transformer. Can you see this transformer? Yeah, this transformer. You know, this transformer is most important to decide this product, this quality. Because this high performance transformer can keep this product in very stability working condition and the more longer working lifetime. And you know, in the normal market, maybe the convention and other company, they will use the aluminum material to make the coil inside. But our product use this pure copper. The pure copper can provide most the stable electronic performance and the more longer working lifetime. That is one point, and the first point we make sure this the warranty and the quality. And the second point, you can check our capacitor. Can you see this capacitor? Yeah, please check it. You know, this capacitor is very important point to decide this product can the working lifetime. This capacitor, the working lifetime, and also decided by him. Because the normal capacitor, the working time at least have 8,000 hours. But when you working, this temperature is during 75 degrees, this working time can entail at least 50,000 hours. 50,000 hours. You can calculate how many days and years they can equal. You see, almost 3 to 5 years. This is only just the second point. We can make sure this. And the third point, we to make sure this product also have very stability performance. You can check this soldier welding tin apart. It's very small, but you can check each one by one. It's very tight and very strong. Can you see that? Because if you use this tight and strong soldier welding apart, you can, during the shipping and the delivering, during the packages and during the shipping time, it's very easy to impact and shaking and knock each other. If this product is not have this tin welding strong and tight and have too many fake and false welding, it's very easy to cause some damage to the product. Maybe after you receive it, it's no possible to use, and maybe they were just up during the shipping time, we already damaged it. But if you use our product, you see, we come to and avoid this problem by our very good quality, and during our manufacture production, all these things already solved. This is only just the third point. And the last and also very, very, very important point I also need to suggest and introduce to you why this quality is good. And you can check this also the PCBA board about their isolation design. They secret about the isolation design. We divided this output and this input. We make divided. You see, this is isolation design. Isolation design is mean this product is more safety. When this product have some problem, need to repair and need be changed. This is very, very safety for your worker and for your guys to repair it and replace it. That is all these 4 points to make sure this product have at least 3 to 5 years warranty and this quality is good. Then not just by words, it's also this is approved. And now I also have very good news for you, because you can check this product have this label printing and laser printing. Some guys have some special design and make customization because their country have their remark and logo and a special design. They need to make some design by themselves. If you cooperated with us, we can supply this to you and offer this to you, even you only just purchase one sample. I think it's very good survivors, right? Because some guys will think, I purchased this, I don't need any Chinese logo inside. I need, for example, American logo, and also your company this own the brand logo. That is very good. Okay. Now, as you already know our product, and also you know our product performance and the inside PCBA board. I think now you will think, and your company product for this ultra thin LED driver, what kind of situation you can apply to? And for example, let me introduce to you. You can check this size is very narrow, so it means can suit for this the bathroom light, bathroom mirror light, and the dressing room the mirror wall lamp light, because this kind of space need a very special space to match their narrow lights. So this narrow light can match our this special LED driver. This thing can solve all this narrow space problem. Okay, that's all. Thank you for you guys watching. Our product is I think it's very nice for you. You already know it. Their size, their performance, their inside the PCBA board. If you are interested, please left your message and any questions, please let me know it. And now it's good news for you, because now we have very good activities. If you guys can left your message and the contact information, we can give you and offer you free sample for testing. I think it's good choice to make cooperated with us. Firstly, you need to know our product and face our product. Okay, I think we can see our next time because this time I already sharing very good item. Now welcome our team to say goodbye for you guys.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching.
See you next time.
See you next time.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Nice day.